Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like and subscribe if this is the first time you're seeing my videos. Hey everyone, today we are diving into one of the most useful Linux commands, tar. Whether you are backing up files or unpacking archives, tar has you covered. Tar stands for tape archive. It's used to compress or extract tar. .tar, .gz or .tgz file on Linux. To create a tar archive, the basic syntax for it is tar-cvf archive that you want to create .tar folder or file name. Let me list the contents of my documents directory. I have file 1. For me to create tar archive for file 1, I will use the command tar-cvf file 1.tar, then file 1. Once I hit enter, the command will create a tar archive for file 1. So the -c means to create, while the -v for verbose, which shows file, like you can see here, it shows file 1, and -f for file name. So that's the meaning of -cvf, create verbose which show files, and f the file name. So once I list the contents of this directory, you see that file 1.tar have been created. To extract a tar archive, we use the command tar-svf the archive.tar. So this is the basic command for you to extract a tar archive. You replace this archive.tar with the folder or file name. So here I will just use file 1.tar. Before I extract this file 1.tar, first of all, I will delete file 1, this file 1 here, rm file 1 ls. So this will delete the file 1. And for me to extract this file 1.tar, I will use the command tar-xvf. X here stands for extract, while the V for verbose, then the F for file, then file 1.tar, and do ls. We see that we are able to extract file 1. The next command I'm going to talk about is how to create a compressed tar.gz file. And the basic syntax for it is star, then the name of the file or folder that you want to compress. Now I'll replace this with file 1. I'll replace this archive with file 1. The -c stand for create, while the z compress, the v for verbose, and the f for file. That's the meaning of it. So once I hit enter and do ls, as you can see, I've successfully created the file 1.tar.gz. To extract a compressed file, I will use the command tar-xzvf. This is the command to extract file 1, to extract a compressed file. So once I hit enter and do ls, you see that we have extracted file 1. Now to list contents without extracting, we use the command. This show all the files inside the archive without extracting them. Here, this is just the file. Let me go a step backward. Tar So this is file3.star.gz. Now I want to list the contents without extracting. I'll remove this tar. That's the power of the tar command in Linux. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more Linux tips and cybersecurity content. See you on the next one. Bye.